Okay, here's the next question in this June 18 calculus section of the exam. And here it is. You're given that there's a function down here that's minus x cubed plus 13x plus 12. Ooh, they gave us quite a bit of what's going on here. We know that that's the right shape for when a is negative for a cubic function. They told us that one of the x-intercepts is minus 1. And they say C is the y-intercept. C is the y-intercept. And they've given us that A and B are also x-intercepts. We don't know what they are. Well, let's give it a try. Let's do the first part, and I'll try and do it kind of carefully. The first thing is write down the coordinates of C. Well, C is right there. That's the y-intercept. But I know x is 0. So all you do is take 0, put it in there. Well, that's nothing. That's nothing. The coordinates of C must be 0 and 12 as an ordered pair. 0 and 12. There's the first question done. But the next question is a little bit trickier because I think they're going to ask for the coordinates of A and B. Well, those are x-intercepts. We've got one of the intercepts right here. You know, you know that A is -1, but you can put 3 brackets here. It's x minus an intercept x, another one, 3 brackets, but one of them must be x plus 1 because -1 makes it 0. And then you might have to factor the rest. Let's see how they do it in the memo here. We're getting the x-intercepts. You see what we do, if we want to find the x-intercepts here, they ask for, these are x-intercepts, then we let this function equal 0. Well, that's what we do. We go minus x cubed plus 13x plus 12 equals 0. But hey, like I said before, we were given x minus 1. We know that x plus 1 is a factor. And then we know, we got to put x squared in here to get x cubed. And we also know we have to put a minus 12 in there to make that work. But it's got to be minus 13x. Well, we've got minus 11x. What we're going to need, we've got minus 12x, but we need one more negative x because we're locked into the plus 1 here. So it must be a minus x here. It must be a minus x here. Now, if you know how to do synthetic division, you could use a synthetic division or divide this. You may have other ways for figuring out that this is x squared minus x minus 12. Then you factor that part. So you go, 4 times 3 is 12. It's got to be -4 times +3 to make this minus x. Then x must be 4. So b must be 4 and 0. And -3 must be the other one. But +1 is the one that works there. Well, that kind of makes sense to this picture because 1's way out here at 4 and 0. And the a's over here at, what did we say? At -3 and 0. So if I did that by inspection, you might have another way for dividing x plus 3 into this and getting this answer. But you got to know how to do that. Okay, that's that part. I think I'm going to make the next 2 questions their own kind of video. Okay, that's that.